I got a box in the mail today. Let's see what it is. It says live plants. Get all my other stuff off the counter. I don't even remember what I ordered. Don't even remember where I ordered it from. You know, it's one of those late nights sitting in the chair and you're bored and you see something pop up on the screen and you're like, oh, I think I'd like to have some of that. So let's see what it is. Live plants, open immediately. All right. Oh, we're gonna make a mess. I might have ordered these off Amazon. Y'all ain't never ordered off Amazon. They have. So I got two. I usually do this in the plant room. It's been a while since I got any plants, so I'm excited. Oh, here's what I need. Okay, it's from HOUSEPLANT SHOP. That's an online shop. You can just go on there and type in HOUSEPLANT SHOP online. And the first one was a Tradescantia Sabrina. I think that's what this one is. No, this is a spider plant Hawaiian. I thought it was a spider plant. And this one is a Tradescantia Pink Panther. Can y'all see that? I'm gonna zoom in. That's a tiny little baby. And then this one is a Tradescantia, or Wandering Dude, they now say. I call them Wandering Jews. Oh, look at this. I don't know if I'm saying that right. I call it wondering G or wondering G. Isn't that pretty? Silver, purple on the back. It's a 4-inch pot. This is a little teeny tiny one. This is called Pink Panther. Hope I don't get it. And this is a Hawaiian spider plant. I do really good with spider plants, and I love spider plants. Don't love spiders, but I love spider plants. How pretty! Again, this is from HOUSEPLANT SHOP online. That's where I ordered it from. That's, you can see what I ordered. Yeah, I just ordered them 3 days ago, maybe 2 days ago, 3 days ago. It says ship date was the 13th. That ain't when I ordered them. I think I ordered like 3 days ago. But that's pretty good. Well, alrighty, guys. Woo. As you can see, you see what I got. And y'all go online and get you some plants. If you don't want to go out shopping, if you don't have time to go out to Lowe's or any place else in this heat, get online and find you some plants. Love me some plants. Now, I used to have over about 350 house plants, and I have really downsized lately. If I see something that's not doing well, I either try to add it into another pot of the same type plant, or either I just ditch it. Life's too short to have aggravating plants that don't want to live. I think my house might be a little too cool for them, but I have put them out. I try them different places. I either put them out on the front porch or put them out on the back porch. There's always another spot you can try if you can't find. If they're not surviving inside, try them on the porches. If you have a screened-in back porch or a real pretty sunny front porch, try them in different areas, because a lot of times if it won't work in one area, it'll work in another area. Alrighty, well that's my plant haul for today. Again, that was from HOUSEPLANT SHOP online. Y'all go get you some. Have a blessed day, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Thank you for coming by. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. Let me know what's your favorite house plant.
Hey, how you doing?